In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a newsletter in Brevo. Let's get you started with sharing your news, updates, and content in no time. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, you might want to do that now for more convenient access in the future. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. For those using this platform regularly, I bet you've got your login details at the ready. For newcomers, after entering your credentials, don't forget to explore the site a bit after we finish to familiarize yourself further with its features. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Create Campaign. This is your first step towards crafting that beautiful newsletter. When the menu expands, select Email Campaign, which is what you're focusing on today. At this point, it's essential to give your campaign a descriptive name, something that clearly reflects its content or purpose. This will help you keep things organized, especially if you plan on sending multiple newsletters in the future. Next, you'll need to configure both the sender details and the list of recipients. Make sure you've set the right email address as the sender. This builds trust and recognition with your audience. Then, select your audience. Whether it's your entire mailing list or a specific segment, accuracy here ensures your message reaches the right people. Now, it's time for the creative part, designing your newsletter. Brevo offers a versatile range of design options catering to various preferences. You can choose an existing template if you prefer something quick with a professional flair, or start with a blank template for a more hands-on approach. Templates can be a real time saver and provide consistent branding with previous content. Once you've settled on a design, use Brevo's drag-and-drop builder. This feature is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to add content blocks with ease. You can customize these blocks, access a wide range of design elements, and style your email to perfection. From images to text, the way you arrange these components can significantly impact the effectiveness of your newsletter. For those of you who find writing content challenging or are short on time, Brevo's AI assistant is a handy tool. It's capable of generating content that aligns with your campaign's objective, giving you a great start or some creative suggestions. The final step involves reviewing your campaign. Look over the details one last time to ensure everything is just right. When you're satisfied, you have two options. Schedule your newsletter for a later date and time that maximizes engagement, or hit send and unleash your message into the world immediately. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sending your newsletter through Brevo. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.